Good evening. We are out and about for a night cruise. Kind of got a couple things I want to go do. Hope you guys are having a great day or had a great day. It is nighttime. Hope you guys are tucked into your beds. Everybody's getting ready to go to sleep. And you're able to tune in and watch me cruise around a little bit. I actually just been working my ass off, honestly, bro. Trying to pick up a couple of things for the car. Somebody on IG hit me up and told me about lethal injected budget fuel system that I'm more than likely gonna go ahead and pick up, just because it'll make things a little simpler. Yep. Man, this thing sounds crazy at night. I'm sad I didn't give you guys a night POV yet, man. And I went out to go drive, and my little underglow lights inside the car, inside the cabin, I didn't charge them for a little bit. So I really hope that you guys, oh, it's the cab. I really hope that you guys actually have a clear view of everything. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, and it's not too dark, but we'll see when I actually gotta edit this thing. Yep, there is nobody on the streets. It's kind of what I was hoping for. You know, some time to myself. Time to be able to actually drive my car. It's a beautiful night. Not too much going on. I said, why not? Let me get outside for a little bit. But yeah, updates. I actually painted my ported Eaton because I needed to before I go ahead and swap it. So I did that. I figured out, like I just said, the lethal injected budget fuel system. So I figured out what fuel system I'm gonna go with. That includes damn near everything I need. So that's the route I'm gonna take. And I still need to get a MAF. I need to get an MAF for the ram air intake, because it will be pushing more air. And I kind of wanted to get a single blade throttle body. You know, I'm definitely not going to use the stock throttle body when I put the ported Eaton on. But at the same time, when I bought the ported Eaton, Buddy actually sold me a 62 millimeter BBK throttle body to go with it. So it's like, you know, should I use that? I kind of wanted a JLT intake rather than the BBK, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll get some opinions on it. Any of you guys ever used BBK's throttle bodies? Let me know. I actually had a bad experience with one on my 03 Mach 1 before. It actually felt horrible when I actually had it on. So, wow, they got a lot going on up here. Oh, looks like they got road work going on up here. And we are not gonna go that way. We are gonna go this way. Feels amazing. Really does. Feels on top of his game. I'm actually I mean, they've been doing a lot of road work, like highway stuff, so everybody's kind of been chilling on Mexico. hopefully this week. I don't think it's gonna be too bad this week weather-wise. It's actually gonna be kind of hot, but I still want to get out and run the car. So Thursday, we'll try it again and try to head out to Mexico. Hopefully it'll be worthwhile, you know. It'll be one of those beautiful beautiful trips to Tijuana.
A few moments later.
I don't know what that is down there. It looks like somebody on the highway, bruh. Mr. G35. Man, we could have did a little pull, buddy. Beautiful night. We're gonna try not to get into too much trouble. Yeah, I like rarely ever come down here, and it's for good reason. Definitely don't drive the streets, because the streets suck. Absolutely. But yeah, you know, it is beautiful in downtown Atlanta, bro. Kind of reminds me of home. Two o'clock in the morning. Great roads, bro. Varsity. Definitely used to hang out down there. to gas me out in his diesel work truck. Haha. Those tunnels. Gonna blister the tires, bro. Jesus, where's his lights, bro? Damn truck ain't even got no lights on, bro. I'm glad I'm attentive. For real, for real. Jesus Christ. Those tunnels. Everybody's scared to play. Glad I got out tonight. Love this city. Woo. Yep. Time to take it on back home.
More moments later.
Yep. Really honestly can't wait to actually get things moving a little bit more as far as the modifications. For those of you that don't know, this is an 03 Cobra, so certain mods are expensive. Hence why I'm always at work. I know it's late. Let me not be popping and whatnot. My neighbors are gonna hate me. But yeah, man, I just wanted to get out a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed that little ride. My boy actually has his GT car together. I think the next drive we will be together. Maybe we could get a couple of fun runs in with his GT car. But yes, I'm home. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching all my shorts. You guys are going crazy with the shorts. I hope you guys really like the sneaky one. Kind of got into trouble with the Mopar community for that one. But who gives a fuck? I'm Ra. This is my 03 Cobra. Definitely more to come. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.